Hey there, beauties. It's your favorite digital nail stylist here, and here is a after of a client who came in for a therapeutic pedicure with me. This client was a seasoned client, older in age, and had some thickened toenails as well as some toenails that were basically penetrating into the bottom of her toe. And it was definitely uncomfortable for her. Her family member just really wanted her to, have some care, and just the actual client was apprehensive about going to get care through the podiatrist. So they had to kind of, persuade her to actually come to a relaxing experience, and just kind of told her about what I offered. And she felt comfortable with at least giving me a try, okay? And don't get me wrong, honey, she was like side eyeing me until the end. But by the end of the service, she was happy. After this therapeutic pedicure, she was relieved and she was happy. So here is a more detailed look of her after, and I'm just going through it. And I think she said something funny on this clip. I think she said, she asked me, do you like what you see? And I laughed because I'm like, okay, we friends now. We making jokes, we friends. But yes, just so happy to be a part of her journey and, and helping her even at a seasoned age, honey. She definitely needed to feel comforted and pampered, and it was a sigh of relief to be able to help her with this. I'm also going to let you see some behind the scenes of me doing another detailed pedicure. I'm not going to talk as much, but just so you can see kind of like my process that I go through the therapeutic pedicure process. It's pretty detailed, but every step matters, and it's all about customizing the service to what the client is needing, and just making sure that, of course, I stay within my scope of practice, but I'm making sure that I provide them with the care that they need. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Looking forward to sharing more content about this type of work that I do. Just, more behind the scenes. All right. God bless. Take care.